So guys, for the first step, you want to open up a web browser that has developer tools on it. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. Next, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the Windows 10 ISO file. Again, make sure that you're using a web browser that has developer tools on it. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use that as well if you want to. And now once you're on this, by default, it's not going to give you a direct download to get the ISO file. So instead, we need to open up the developer tools console. There are two ways to do that. Either you want to click on F12 on your keyboard, which will now open it up, or you want to select Ctrl, Shift and I, which will open it up. And now once you're on this, make sure that you're on the Elements tab, and now on the bottom it's going to be saying User Agent. You want to untick this box. Now we're going to scroll down. You want to click on the drop down right here, and you want to select Chrome Mac, Chrome OS, Chrome iPad, Chrome Android. You want to select anything that is just not Windows. So I'm going to go with Chrome Mac. And now once you've changed your user agent to something that is not Windows, we can now refresh the page. And now if we scroll down, we should now be seeing a direct download to the Windows 10 2023 update version 22H2 ISO. We can now choose our edition. Confirm. We can now close out of this. And you can now choose the language that you want to get the ISO in. I'm going to go with English United States and then click on confirm. You can now either get a 32-bit download or a 64-bit download. It's now going to start downloading. That's how you do it.